This is a story about passion. College campuses are places where passion can and does go too far. And when that happens, this man may be the worst nightmare of a sex offender. This is a story about passion.
And it is a crime to do anything with someone unconscious, even if she's willing when she's awake.
Attorney Larry DeMarco has passion. You can see it in his eyes. He is trying to save college students from a lifetime of pain. He knows the sobering statistics about date rape and other sexual assaults involving young people. This lawyer might very well be the man who changes that. It's Larry DeMarco's mission, his passion. DeMarco and his brother share a law firm in Center City, Philadelphia. The firm was started by their late father, Jim DeMarco. They learned from day one that they are here to help people.
I think the things that we learned from our father, you can see in all of us, because he was very passionate about what he did for a living.
That passion meant that Jim DeMarco Sr. loved the underdog, the tough cases, the tough clients.
Dad said, look how difficult this client is, and look how much he needs us. If we don't, who will?
You may not have been a victim yourself.
That attitude, if we don't, who will, is taking Larry DeMarco all over the place on a mission to help the underdog. Help the children who've been molested, the teenagers and college students who've been date raped, and the older victims who feel that they have no voice. This woman came to this college lecture to hear her lawyer, Larry DeMarco.
He's the kid that always used to ask why.
Phyllis has known Larry DeMarco for 14 years. She and the other DeMarco clients rave about his ability in the courtroom, but more commonly his passion for people, whether it be an emotional injury case or something else.
We've used him for a few different legal things that we've needed some advice on. Always on a personal level, very understanding, very compassionate, genuinely concerned, and follows up even after the cases are resolved.
That concern is why DeMarco is hitting the college and media circuit. Judy Sanders is a psychotherapist. She's working with Larry to educate people about the effects of emotional abuse.
I realized that this would free women to come forth more often because under civil law they have more say and they have more leverage, so that the way it stands today, most women will just keep quiet. The statistics that are available are only the tip of the iceberg. And I think that once women understand this and know about this, that they'll come forward and get the justice that they deserve.
If a DA or policeman says, there is no way we're going to make an arrest, no way we're going to prosecute, well, if you can't get justice in the criminal system, you can potentially get compensation in the civil system.
Jim DeMarco is probably smiling from above. He taught his boys well. This is a story about passion.